Hi guys, this is Daniel. In this video, let us see how to create a paragraph in HTML, how to insert a line break in HTML, and how to create a horizontal rule in HTML. So let us see one by one. What is the meaning of paragraph? So a paragraph is nothing but a group of sentences. If you want to create a paragraph in HTML, you have to use p tag. It is mainly used to define a block of text. It automatically adds space above and below the paragraph. Coming to line break tag. If you want to create a line break in HTML, you have to use BR tag. It is mainly used to insert a line break without starting a new paragraph. No extra space is added after the break. It is the best example of self-closing tag, means which does not require ending tag. Coming to horizontal rule. If you wanted to create a horizontal line across the web page, you have to call HR tag. Remember, it is also a best example for self-closing tag, means which does not require ending tag. For a clear picture of understanding, let us have a program on it. So I just defined the document type declaration because old browsers might not display the web page information correctly and effectively. With that intention, I just defined this particular statement and I defined the language as English for this particular web page. Coming to head tag, it will contain meta information. I already discussed in detail about the head tag in a previous video. If you are interested to know the information regarding this, please visit to that particular video. Coming to title tag. So the meaning of title tag is used to create a title for a particular web page. So this particular title will be added on the browsers tab. Coming to body tag. Body tag is the main part of every HTML document. So if you want to create a paragraph in HTML, you have to call p tag. So as I said earlier, you have to call p tag. Remember, if you are opening any tag in HTML, you have to close that particular tag. So I just mentioned some piece of text inside the paragraph tag. So again I closed paragraph tag. Next, I want to create another paragraph tag. So I just open p tag. This is the first line. Fine. I just mentioned BR tag. What is the use of BR tag? It is used to insert a line break without creating a new paragraph. So for simple, I will explain the meaning of BR tag. Whenever BR tag is executed, the cursor move its pointer to the new line. So in that new line, this particular statement, that is, this is the second line, will be added. Next, if you want to create a horizontal line, you have to call HR tag. So I hope you people got understood. For a clear picture of understanding, let me run this file. For that, at first we have to save this file. So let me save the file. Save as. I am going to store in the desktop inside this particular folder, HTML programming. Let me give some name for it. Paragraph underscore BR underscore HR. So save as type, you have to choose HTML. I am just saving the file. In order to see the output, just navigate to your folder where the file is stored. So this is my file. To see the output, just double click on that particular file. Oh great, this is a paragraph tag. I already mentioned in the code BR tag. Whenever BR is executed, the cursor will move its pointer to the new line. So this particular line will be added into the second line. That is the next line. So HR. So if you want to create this particular horizontal line, you have to call HR tag. I hope you people got understood. Thank you.